Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the country or region on your Amazon account. Whether you are moving to a new country or just want to shop from a different Amazon marketplace, it's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, open up your Amazon app on your phone. You will want to log in to your account before making any changes. Go ahead and sign into your Amazon account by entering your email and password. Once you are logged in, we are ready to make some changes. Next, tap onto the account and list option. This will take you to your account setting. Once you are in your account setting, scroll down to find country. Now tap onto the flag option at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you can change your country, region and language. Now you just have to select your country. For example, I will be changing it to Australia. You can even change the language from here and select the Done option. After selecting your new country, Amazon may promote you to review and update your shipping address, payment method or billing address to reflect the new country. And that's it, you have successfully changed your country or region on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.